Elevating data maturity for a global packaging leader with Microsoft Fabric. A fragmented data landscape was slowing down a global packaging leader, impacting everything from decision-making to daily operations. Here are the identified issues. They had over 10,000 distinct measures scattered across 400+ reports, creating confusion and slowing insights. Data silos across SAP, Azure, SQL, and third-party platforms led to inconsistent definitions and gaps in governance. Outdated data flows created performance bottlenecks and compliance risks. Poor communication and unrealistic project timelines further delayed progress. Kanerika stepped in to transform the landscape, using Microsoft Fabric, Power BI, and Azure Data Factory to modernize data management from end to end. We unified enterprise data sources in OneLake for centralized analytics. We built an automated metadata repository to streamline 10,000+ metrics and reduce errors. We migrated legacy data flows to Dataflow Gen2 and PySpark, introducing CI/CD. We established clear governance using Microsoft Purview, applying RBAC and audit trails. We launched Power BI templates, workshops, and a community of practice to promote adoption. The impact: a 45% improvement in decision-making accuracy, a 30% reduction in ETL processing time, a 60% increase in data accessibility. Want to see how you can transform your data ecosystem with Microsoft Fabric? Let's talk.